Hello space enthusiast, very welcome to our new video related to rocket science. Today we will discuss about the another two cycle, that is blowdown mode and hot gases mode. So in the previous video we already discussed about the pressure regulating system. These all the cycles, that means a pressure regulating system, blowdown mode and hot gases mode, are under the pressure fed system. That means we have to increase the pressure of the fuel and oxidizer, and then we have to supply this high pressurized fuel and oxidizer into the combustion chamber, and we will get the thrust. So if you not watch that video, then first watch the video about the pressure regulating system, because that video clear your fundamentals. So today we discussed about the another two cycle, that is blowdown mode and hot gases mode. We also discussed that why this cycle is used, why it is not used, what are the different difficulties we are facing by using this cycle. So be tuned with me. I will give the very fundamental information about this cycle. As you know that in the rocket engine we have to supply the higher pressurized fuel and oxidizer into the combustion chamber. Why we require the higher pressurized fuel and oxidizer? Because if our fuel and oxidizer having a higher pressure, then we can get the higher thrust. I already discussed this thing in the previous video. So in the blowdown mode, we using the pressurant. It is very similar to the pressure regulating system, but we are using the another pressurant tank in the pressure regulating system, where in the blowdown mode we are using the same pressurant, that means helium, neon and hydrogen. But hydrogen is not widely used because it's having its own disadvantages. That's why normally we are using the lower molecular gases, that is helium and neon. So in the blowdown mode we pour the pressurant into the fuel and oxidizer tank. We are not pour that pressurant into the another pressurant tank. So this is the difference between the pressure regulating system and blowdown mode. So initially we are pour the pressure into the fuel and oxidizer. So a pressurant maintain the higher pressure on a fuel and oxidizer. So this is the basic working principle of the blowdown mode. That means initially we pour the pressurant into the fuel and oxidizer tank, and by using the pressurant pressure we maintain the pressure on the fuel and oxidizer. So now why we are not using this cycle? So first thing is that initially we can maintain the higher pressure into the fuel and oxidizer tank, but what's about the after? Suppose we are using this cycle in the normal rockets, that means orbital rockets. So initially we can get the higher thrust because a pressurant maintain the certain amount of pressure on the fuel and oxidizer, but after some seconds of flight the level of the fuel and oxidizer decreases. Why? Because continuously a fuel and oxidizer are supplied into the combustion chamber and it will get the thrust. So the level of the fuel and oxidizer decreases, and in the blowdown mode we poured or we filled the pressurant into the fuel and oxidizer tank. So once the level of the fuel and oxidizer decreases, then the pressurant volume is increases. That means whatever volume is covered by the pressurant at the initial state, it is now changes after some seconds. That means the volume of the pressurant is increases. So once the volume of the pressurant in the fuel and oxidizer tank is increases, then the pressure maintained by the pressurant is decreases. Why? Because as per the thermodynamic law, PV is equal to MRT. That means if volume is increases, then pressure is decreases. No doubt the blowdown mode can maintain the pressure at the starting phase of the rocket, but after some seconds of flight it cannot be capable to maintain that much amount of pressure. And when we use this cycle, then we cannot get the higher thrust at the each and every point of the flight. So that's why we are not using this cycle. But yeah, we are using this cycle in the small thruster. That means it is the one kind of engine which is used in the orbital maneuvering system, or RCS, that means reaction control system. So in that we are not required the higher amount of thrust. So we can use this cycle, or we can use this blowdown mode in the thruster. But we are not using this blowdown mode system in the main propulsion system. That means first stage or second stage. So this is the disadvantage of the blowdown mode. Let's transfer in the hot gases mode. What do you mean by the hot gases? That means to maintain the pressure into the fuel and oxidizer, we are using the hot gases. That means any substance having a higher temperature. So the, as per the law, PV is equal to MRT. That means if temperature is higher, then pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So pressure is also higher. So by using this formula or by using this thermodynamics law, we are using the hot gases to maintain the constant pressure on the fuel and oxidizer. So now why we are not using this cycle? So let's assume that we are using the hot gases which is produced by the combustion chamber and we directly supply into the fuel and oxidizer tank. Then no doubt we can get the constant amount of pressure in the fuel and oxidizer tank. But if any substance having a higher temperature, then the energy of the substance is also increases. So maybe sometime it's also react with the fuel and oxidizer. Once a higher temperaturized flow is react with the fuel and oxidizer, then maybe sometime the blast is occurs in the fuel and oxidizer. So that's why a hot gases is very dangerous for the any system. So that's why we are not using this cycle. And till now, I guess only one or two engines are working on that. That means they are using the hot gases to maintain the temperature or to maintain the higher pressure on the fuel and oxidizer. So hope you got something new information from this video. If you like this video, then please share with your friends. So bye for now. We will meet with the another topic of the rocket science. And also comment below that, like, are you only interested in the rocket science or I also make the video on the missile technology? Please give your valuable suggestion in the comment section. So bye for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.